Science has given us incredible discoveries, but sometimes experiments have gone too far. Imagine scientists trying to revive severed heads, teach animals to talk, or even test mind control. Some of these experiments sound like science fiction, but they were very real, and some had shocking results. Let's dive into the most bizarre experiments in history that will leave you questioning everything. In the 1950s, Soviet scientist Vladimir Demikhov pushed medical boundaries by performing one of the strangest transplants ever. He surgically attached a second head to a living dog. Yes, you heard that right, a two-headed dog. Both heads could see, hear, and even drink milk separately. But the dog only survived for a few days. Demikhov claimed his work would pave the way for human organ transplants, but was this science or pure madness? Ever heard of an experiment where a severed head blinks and reacts after being cut off? In the early 20th century, scientists tested whether they could revive decapitated heads of criminals and animals. One Russian scientist, Sergei Brukhonenko, created a machine called the autojector, which kept a dog's severed head alive for hours. The dog's head responded to light, moved its ears, and even licked its nose. Was this proof that life after death could be extended? Or just a terrifying example of how far science can go? During the Cold War, the CIA conducted a top-secret experiment known as MK-Ultra. They tested LSD, hypnosis, and psychological torture to see if they could control people's minds. Some subjects had no idea they were being drugged, leading to paranoia, hallucinations, and even mental breakdowns. The goal? To create real-life Manchurian candidates, people who could be controlled like puppets. But when the truth came out, the documents were destroyed, leaving behind a mystery that still haunts history. These experiments were as fascinating as they were disturbing. Some led to scientific breakthroughs while others remained dark stains on history. But what if I told you there were even stranger experiments, ones involving human cloning, time travel, and energy weapons?